Welcome to another Walk With Me vlog. I'm Artsy. Today's walk takes us down 4th Street Montego Bay. We start our journey at the end of Howard Cook Boulevard to get an idea of where 4th Street is located.
To 4th Street. The name of this street is Howard Cook Boulevard. That's KFC over there. That's the parish library that we're seeing. That cream building, St. James Parish Library. And then we have City Center over there. Straight ahead over this side right here, we have Harmony Beach Park. And then we have in front of us here, we have the Hip Strip or Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Oh, I mean, I laugh off, sir. Why are you laughing at me, sir? Yes, okay, so if you continue up this road, you're going to go to Top Road or Queens Drive. Road or Queens Drive takes you to Sangster International Airport. To the Blessed Sacrament Cathedral on the hill. Up there you also have Mount Alvernia High School. Alright, so that's Top Road. This is 4th Street straight ahead of us. And then the street beside the Harmony Beach Park is Jimmy Cliff Boulevard or Hip Strip. Alright, let's start our journey. Let me come outside road, yeah? Alright, so at the start of our journey we have Saba Art Gallery. Then Naya's Stationery and Art Supplies for all our artists that are watching this video. Then we have an attorney office, and across from there we have Citadel Insurance Brokers. There's another shop there, but I don't see a name. So, Citadel Insurance Brokers across the street. The next store we have is Signature Wear for prescription lens, contact lens, sunglasses, etc. And this mall or plaza is called Victory, 3 to 5 4th Street, Montego Bay. Interesting. Another attorney at law office here. And I see Spot on Fitness, so I'm going to assume that that's a gym. There's a parking lot over this side. Okay, faster, stronger, healthier. So yeah, it's a gym that's here. Let me walk around this side. All right, the next store is, what is this? Route Taxi, Gupta Association inside. Okay. Okay. It's an insurance agent. And across from there we have Urban Development Corporation. Urban Development Corporation in that building. This appears to be, because I see clothes on the line, somebody's residence. I'm not entirely sure what's over on this side. I see leather sandals. I'm not sure what that building is. And this appears to be Mobay Proper. If I was supposed to turn up here, okay, up here up this road. So this is Mobay Proper Restaurant. Mobay Proper Restaurant Bar and Grill. I'm gonna continue on 4th Street shortly, but let's take a little trip on this road. Okay, so we're coming up on Fort Montego here. So this road that we're on currently, it's behind 4th Street. And the craft market is actually on this road as well. But we'll soon get back onto 4th Street. I just want to have a look here. I think I showed you guys this already in a video. So this is Fort Montego. Right? There's actually seating in there. Interesting. Alright? And then the craft market is down that side. Now we're gonna go back around to continue on foot. Alright, so we're back on 4th Street now. And as I said, across the road is Montego Bay Proper Restaurant Bar and Grill. Right? And this road here, 4th Street, this used to be the road if where prostitutes would come on. But I don't think that's happening anymore. As one of the ladies said that I spoke to a while ago, come I just buy dinner from one lady. She's like, no, them up on the front page now. They no longer hide on 4th Street. So I'll cross the street shortly. So as I said, 4th Street is above the hip strip. So you actually have a view. Okay. Hello. Why? Okay, so see, you have a view of the hip strip from here, and you can actually see Harmony Beach Park and the sea. All right. So it's not a very long road. 4th Street is basically finished now, and it leads into the hip strip. Excuse me, just belch. See this beautiful tree and a little store right here, and they have something here that a little sign about Fort Montego. We'll have a look at it. Hello, good day. So the sign reads Montego Bay history. This area was settled by the Taino. Columbus arrived in 1494 on the second voyage, anchored in the bay, and called it Golfo de Bueno Tiempo, or the Gulf of Good Weather. The Spanish used it to ship manteca or lard from the slaughtering of wild hogs. The name Montego is derived from the name Bay of Lard or Manteca. The town played roles in the Second Maroon War, 1795 to 1796, and again in the 1831 to 1832 rebellions by the enslaved against slavery. Since the start of the 20th century, it became a major international tourist destination. So Old Fort, Craft and Heritage sign above the 4th Street craft markets. All right, so that's it. And this is the street that we started our journey. Well, we didn't start our journey. That has the Fort Montego. We would have come down this side if we continued on that road. Okay, let's see Fort Montego from here. I guess the front part of the gun. You see it?